So hello and welcome. This is JupyterLite and I want to introduce for you what is this JupyterLite. This JupyterLite, as you can see, is completely run on web browser. It means you don't need any Python, you don't need any server, you don't need anything. So and you will open this JupyterLite and you are there. So here I've just prepared for you what you can do so quickly. So you have here your folders, and I just make for you Minecraft notebook. So and the result, it will be our function sinus, and sometimes get a plot of this function. Okay, so this, you can see this is without break and this is with grid, and the color of course it changed. So our problem is how to do it. So how to plot function in JupyterLite. So all the same as in Jupyter Notebook and JupyterLab. So we'll import, I'll be a little bit better so we will see. So we'll import numpy as np, and we will import matplotlib as plt. So here we can write our markdown. As you can see, here it was code and here it will be markdown. And how to define this function sinus and so on. This is a mathematical problem, so we are not interested in this, but we are interested in this, how to make this plot. So as you can see, this is a plot, x and y, and color is red. So if I will put color, for example, I don't know, for example, green, it must come, okay, it will show me green and so on. Here we will make our title, so graph of my minus x function complete to change. You see this is a graph function. Label of the x is x and y. That's very important. You see here. And this grid, it can be false or true. So you see it will be true. It will show you this grid. Okay. So now we must save this plot so we can work with this. So we'll save it as scene.png. We have here, and you will look here. You have your png doc. This is here. Moment. This will be again, and it must be here green. So you can save it. It's here in your computer, and you have this plot. You can use it in your work. Now we will go. What it will be if we will need some scatter plot. Example here. If we will need some scatter plot, of course, now you can change your color, which one you like. I can put here orange. It will be like this. My title, it's the same as in the first graph. X label, Y label is like here. Grid, again, if I will put true, it will show me this grid. If I will put false, it will be without grid. Again, I must save I will put true, and color it will be, for example, black. It's like this, and I will save this figure. You see it's again, but it's like here. So this is what it was our first graph, and here it's our second graph. Again, you can download it in your computer and work and use it in your normal work. So this is very easy how you can do it without JupyterLab. Okay, and it's very nice. So I hope it was useful for you, it was help, and we can use file, save and export, but I don't know why it didn't work for me, but it's okay, it's no problem. Always here, yes? Good. So if you are interested in Python, if you are interested in plotting and so on, so please subscribe my channel and give it a like and support me. So have a nice day, and we will see you next time. Bye everyone.